This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. So in the last session, we just started with a new application for looking to reset API field lookups, and the application name to reset API 2, API app 2. We create a model here. Now we have included that model into admin panel. So already model is created. Okay, and admin panel also I just created. First, let's go to admin panel and insert these records: name, SID, address, marks, pass date, admit date. So after this, we'll check it. So I'm trying to run the server and go to admin panel. Manage.py, run server. Let's try to go to admin panel. In admin panel, I'm trying to insert few records. Students, add student, student name, student SID, student address,
Sir,
student
your screen
marks.
is not visible, sir.
Now it's okay.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm trying to insert the student ID, student name, student address, pass date I'm taking 2023, admit dates I'm taking 2022, and time I'm just taking now. Save and another. So this is the problem we are facing. Let me insert few records here. So the problem in this admin panel only for this batch. Why, I don't know what's the problem. And issue. 5 records I inserted here. So I want to bring this 5 records first of all into table format. So there I am trying to show you all the query set API field lookups. So one by one we'll see that. First I want to create a view for this. So first let me bring this all details and send into uh, where HTML page. So let's go to view section here, and in this query set API to views I'm trying to use. So to create object for the model, so from our application name is what? Query set API app2 dot models import what model? Student model. And I'm trying to create a view v1 request object, and in this request object I'm trying to take preset object data is student data equals to model name is student dot objects dot all. So I need to return render current request and student data dot html, and I'm sending that context here student underscore data colon student data only. Let's prepare this HTML page quickly into templates. Right click on template and go to new and HTML file, that is what? Student data.html. In this student data.html we need to display the student details. How to display student details? We have already templates previously that I am going to copy and paste it. So student2 dot display2 dot html template is there, and first styling I'm copying on the top, and next what I'm trying to take this student details like this, but here employee details are there. I'm trying to do it student details. So in the body section student details I'm placing now. Now coming to this here student details. So what are the details are there we have to use? Name, SID, address, marks, pass date, admit date. Name, SID, ID is okay, name is okay, SID okay, then address, marks, pass date, admit date. Address, marks, pass date and admit date. This I am trying to change. Now here ID, name, SID, address, marks, mastered. ID, name, SID, address, marks, pass date, admit date. But here what actually? Student data. S and take better. S dot SID, S dot name. S is a loop variable. S dot admit date. Okay, fine. Once we set this, so we have to hit the URL. So let's go for URL also previous application. Let's copy the urls.py and paste into query set app to URLs. Right click on it and paste the URLs and try to query set app to. So view name is anyway v1 is there only, so v1 is okay. This URLs we have to include into project level URLs and urls.py. So here query set API app1. So this I'm copying the name and paste into here API1. Now I'm trying to take path. Next what I'm taking include. So query set app2 dot URLs. Next Let's close this unnecessary details, URLs, student details. View section is okay, admin is not okay, models is also not required. Directly you can run it. Only we are bringing this completely all records now. When we hit this, so we get this, all records are getting or not one by one. But now I want to show you one by one option to you. So let's copy this. So comment it, paste into next line. So now you can see this. Some query set API field lookups are there. What are that? Exact. What is exact means? I'll try to show you. So here we need to say, first we need to pass filter command, objects dot filter, all not here. filter filter. So here you can see name exact equals to name underscore underscore exact equals to what I have to do. So Raj I have to do. Only this will bring only Raj record name is matching with Raj only. Now we can go and check out here, and when we refresh this, only the student name Raj record is coming, RAJ. But sir, sometimes if I pass capital letter Raj here, so here I'm trying to take capital letter Raj. This is capital letter and database small letter is matching, no matching. So that's what actually we are not able to get records here Raj. But in case in the admin panel we have, look at this, small letter Raj is there, but you are trying to apply capital letter here. But sir, cases is not a matter for me, so I want to go for only Raj record means. So we can also go with like this. Let's comment this, and here I am trying to use I exact now. So I exact means ignore cases. So cases not a problem here. Even if I try to supply Raj letter capital, but even we are getting the records here clearly, no problem at all. Okay, I exact. Suppose here contains is there. Let's copy this and contains. So contains. So now you can see I'm trying to take name underscore underscore contains. So letter N. So the name of the person, student name, those who are having their name is contains N letter. So that person's only will be there. So inside the student name, only the name should have the N letter in anywhere. Suppose here Ganesh Gan is there, Manoj N is there, Kiran N is there. But here sometimes we can use I contains also, because it's not a problem in the contains context. A capital N also it will work fine, there is no problem. In case if it is not work for you capital N, okay, so immediately we can use I contain. But in my case here capital N or small n, it will work contains, not a problem. In case if you don't find I contains also we can use, it's not a problem. But I don't think so it will required for I contains option, capital letter and small letter purpose. I contains and contains not required. So this is the case actually. So can we pass sir here, for example here N is there, so I'm trying to use not equal to here, but not equal to is not correct expression for this. Okay, yes. So name contains N only, it is there. Contains means in the positive way we have to find. So for example, the name letter starts with S. Name contains S means in the student name whose names are having letter S, that names are coming. S, Sai, Ganesh, Ganesh. S is there. This is the contains. Next we have other option in is there, in. So let me comment this one by one line. I'm trying to show you one by one. In. So in means what actually? Suppose here I'm trying to take, so student ID in equals to 135. So ID records, ID numbers 135. Whoever student's ID 135 is their ID in SID, student ID. So that records I want to get. So SID in means what? ID number 135. But do you have 135? Yes, 135. But why it is not coming 135 here? SID in. So SID in 135. Let's try to figure out what is the problem. Something is missing. So student ID 12135 is not there, sir. Look at this. SID is there. What actually? These 105, 101, 102 like this here. But we are supplying what's are actually 135. So SID is not there. ID is there. Then 135. Now this time you can see this only ID means automatic generated ID. So 135 records IDs are coming. Or else SID 101, 103, 105 also you can take it. Not a problem as your wish. So only in operator will return multiple records. Whatever we pass the numbers here 135, that many records are going to be displayed. So this is in operator. Suppose I want to get, suppose in this module, in this admin panel, so I'm looking this student marks here. So student marks, I want to get only greater than 76. More than 76 I want to use. I want to bring student marks more than 76. So how I can bring that in the sense simple, we can see this marks underscore underscore GT 76 I'm taking. So GT means greater than, sir. Marks means your field, sir. I'm trying to use filter. So greater than greater than 76 means more than 76 only coming, but 76 will not be there. But do you want to display 76 also? Then what we can do? GTE we can do that. So GTE means what actually greater than or equal to. So GTE once I supply, so greater than or equal to means 76 will be there and more than 76 will be there. So look at this 78, 89, 76 both are there here. At the same time similarly less than also there. So less than, for example, here I'm trying to take less than LT. So LT means below 76 student marks, how many are there? So that student marks are coming 59 and 73. LTE also if you want, then we can also LTE we can pass. LTE means less than or equal to. So let's try to pass LTE. These are very simple without hitting any request to the database. By using ORM tool, I'm going to filter the database records generally. But normally without ORM, like in MVT pattern, sometimes we use what actually directly we can pass the SQL statement to the database. That statement through we are going to bring the records. Okay, but without hitting database. But here we are hitting the date, we are not hitting the database, we are managing that all the database filtration using what query set API only. So that means we are applying all the modifications by using filter method on this query set object only. This is greater than, less than or equal to like this. So we can use range also. Suppose here I'm trying to say range, I'm taking range. So what range you want? Names. Okay, names, or else we can say ID, student ID range I want to do. Range what I'm taking 101, 104 I'm taking. So student ID, this range only I want to get 101 and 104. So only that student ID 101, 104 only coming, 101 to 104. So this is the range actually. Even 103 if I give this, then 103 means it will go through 103 only. This is the range function. You can give the range of records also here. And suppose here we can pass that now. So one more thing I'm taking. So date format I'm using. Date. We can also use date. Suppose here past date years I want. In my admin panel, so many past dates are there. 2023 only, but admit date I want. Admit date only 2021 persons I want. So who is admitted in 2020, that I want to do. So that what I'm trying to do, admit date, admit date underscore underscore year equals to 2021. So who is having admitted date is 2021 year, that person's students records only I want to bring. So now you can see admit date 2021 year only, admit date out, admit date person year. This is year format. So these are the filtrations clearly. And one more way I'm trying to do, admit date year is okay. Next, what I'm trying to do, admit the date, month also required. Suppose month greater than something like that we can give. Suppose let's try to see the admin panel who is having admit date. Admit date here 2022 is there, but May, April, January is there. But I need to go for more than 5 admit date. More than 5 means what? May month only. Let's try to do this. Admit date. Okay, admit date. Admit date after month. Okay, month underscore GT. GT means greater than equals to 5. Admit date underscore underscore month underscore underscore greater than 5. Fifth month more than after May, whoever. Oh, there is a problem actually. There, this is what actually here. There is a problem with exception middleware through we are getting. So middleware is also working fine because we have not deactivated the middleware. But okay, no problem. Admit date underscore month underscore underscores are actually this is two underscores are missing. So greater than fifth month means so now we'll get only whoever admitted more than a month called fifth month. So that persons are getting like you can see. So admit date you can observe here December, November. It is more than fifth month or not? Yes, admit date. These two persons only getting admit date more than 5 only. This is greater than. Next, we can also apply week. Week here, week. Week means, so here yearly 52 weeks are there. So 52 weeks means, so in week wise, suppose weekday, week equal to 35 or week equal to 44 like this I want to apply. So whoever admitted in which week, that week in it's going to be done. Admit past date, I can say that past date. Okay, underscore underscore week equals to 30th week. But whoever the past date completed 30th week, that persons will come. Week means what? 52 weeks. This is week number 30. So let's observe in the admin panel so that you will get quality. I'm using past date. Past date April. Only past date is same month only there. So that's what I can go with admit dates are so that you will get clarity. Admit date. Admit date week number 30, sir. So every year 52 weeks are there. February month, January 4 weeks, February 4 weeks. Okay, first week number 30 I'm passing. 30 number means on which month it is past date, that admit date, that month will come here. 30 week number I'm passing. Let's try with this 30 week number. No one is there here. I'm trying to pass week number 4. If someone is there or not, admit date week number 4, we'll see that. So let's try to restart the server first. No one is there week number 4 admit date. Fifth week I'm taking or sixth week. No, server is not responding. Please try to restart the server and readmit. Please submit, sir. Now you can see even sixth week also I'm not able to get this record, sir. So what can I do? Week number 10 I'm trying to pass randomly so that it will work or not. You can check. 10th week whoever admitted, no one is there. Um, First let me check this database. Admit date January, November, December, May, April. Around November, December in the sense. I think it is
Give,
40 plus.
give that two, sir. Week number two.
January will come, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Two
you
or
can see.
three, I think.
Yeah, 2 or 3. So January, because 14th is there, second week it is there. That is exactly it is coming admitted. We have to check and calculate. And there is what we can say weekday also there. So let's try to do this weekday. It is typical to manage, but we have to give this. I'm trying to take admit date uh, underscore, that is admit date underscore week underscore day. So day means what actually here? Third day. First day is Sunday, second day is Monday, third day is Tuesday. Whoever admit date in that week Tuesday, that persons will come. But I will try to do this one thing. So here you can see I want to get Manoj record. Okay, Manoj record December 15, 2021. So when we go for December 15, 2021 means, so this record I want to get means we have to pass weekday only on which day it is required. But according to our, let's go for December 15, 2021. So you can calculate December 15, 2021 what day it was by using normal Python logic with date time. So here I'm trying to take 2021 December, that is 15. Am I right? So this is what day? Wednesday. Wednesday means what? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Fourth day, that is. So I'm passing weekdays 4. So that record you will get now. You can see this. So we got this records. So December 15th, 2021 and May 25th, 2022 also admit date is Wednesday only. Let me try with this. That's what we are getting, two dates. 2022 May 25th also same day. That's what we are getting. What's the result is Wednesday, weekday, fourth day it is coming. Same day or not? Yes. That's the reason we are getting both records, sir. So like this weekday will work. Weekday, how it will work? The day, fourth day, whoever admitted, that day is Wednesday. Wednesday, who is admitted, that records are coming like this. So this is weekday. And there is final one is there, that is quarter. Quarter means actually yearly 4 quarters are there. January, February, March is first quarter. April, May, June is the second quarter. July, August, September is the third quarter. October, November, December is the fourth quarter. So whoever admitted in last quarter, so I'll want to check. So let's try to check with this admitted into last quarter. So here I'm passing admit date. Okay, underscore quarter. Fourth quarter, who is admitted, that I want to do. Fourth quarter means what? November, December, January. So here admitted December, November, January. Here January, these are the fourth quarter record. If I go for third quarter, whoever admitted in third quarter means like this August, September, October, I think so. Whoever admitted third quarter, no one is there. Second quarter, I think second quarter it's there. Admitted in second quarter. January, February, March is the first quarter. April, May, June is the second quarter. April, May is the admit. This is the case. So these are all the query set API field lookups clearly here. So let me close the admin panel. It's not required now. And we can also apply this query set API field lookup through. So maximum marks, average marks, minimum marks, sum of the marks, count of number of employee, number of student records also we can pass by using this aggregate function. There are some query set API aggregate functions are there: average, max, min, sum, count. So query set API aggregate functions are there: average, max, min, sum, count only. Let's try to apply that average, max, min, sum, count, how it is possible. So let's try to apply on this new view only. I'm trying to create a new view, sir. So to find average of student marks. So I'm trying to go for DFV2. Using this view through, I'm going to calculate, sir, one by one. So first I want to get student data equals to model name student dot objects dot all. After that, I want to go for average marks of the student. Average equals to student data. Student data is what actually? Query set object. After getting query set object dot, so we have to apply aggregate function. So aggregate I'm using. Aggregate function, what is that? AVG. But AVG is not coming in IntelliSense, but we have to bring that into IntelliSense. AVG of what actually? Marks only. But look at this, sir. This AVG is not coming because this is coming from separate module. What module? From Django dot db dot models import. So look at this. AVG is a built-in aggregate function. Sum is a built-in aggregate function. Minimum, maximum, okay, count. These are all built-in. So now this AVG is going to be done, sir. Let's copy this. Average is okay. Now next, next. So all I have to pass it. What is that? Average marks. This is. Next, what I'm trying to do? Total, minimum, maximum. So here, total. Total means sum. Minimum, maximum, and one more thing is also required. Total count. That is, total count means number of records. So here I am applying what actually sum functions are. Sum of the marks. Minimum means minimum of marks. Maximum means maximum of marks. MAX, max. Count here. So count of marks. So these all I want to send into my template. Average, total, minimum, maximum, total count. How to send this into my template means just I'm trying to go with the context. So I'm trying to use context equals to, context is always in dictionary format. Now here you can see my query set object I'm passing students colon student data is my query set data first. Next what I'm taking average colon average only. Next total colon total. Next minimum colon minimum. Next maximum colon maximum. Next total count comma total count colon total count. This is query set context actually. This context I need to send into page only, separate page. Which page do you want to render? You can render it. Return render current request student marks html page. I'm trying to prepare student marks.html page. So what I need to send, sir? Context I need to send. Context means this is all. In student marks.html page, we have to access what? Students, average, total, minimum, maximum, all these keys we have to access. Let's prepare the templates are here. Student marks.html template. Student marks.html template. In student marks.html template, I'm trying to take H1 section student marks details. I'm trying to separate student marks details. I'm trying to display, sir, one by one. How to display student marks details means, so we can able to find out, so average marks, minimum marks, like that. Okay, let's go for H2 section. Average marks. How to get average marks means average only. Similarly, I'm trying to bring this copy and paste into here like this, average marks here. So average mark, here it is minimum marks, here it is maximum marks, here it is sum of marks, here it is total count, total count, sir, it is. So now you can see here minimum, maximum, sum means total, total count means total count. Yes, these marks I want to display, and we need to set the URL for this, sir. So how to set the URL means v2. So v2 is my separate view for bringing that student marks completely in this app too. So let's go to URLs, and here v1 means you will get query set API field lookups, and v2 means you will get what, your average all marks details only. So views dot v2 I'm taking. That's all. When we run this, so you are going to get this student marks clearly. Slash v2 I'm using. Slash v2. Look at the student average marks is 75. Minimum marks is 59. Maximum marks is 89. Sum of marks is 375. Total count is 5. 375 divided by 5. Average only 75. This is student marks clearly like this. So this is about all query set API field lookups what we discuss in today's session. And this is about our query set API applications, 3 applications. These are all without hitting any request to the database. We are filtering the data which is coming from database. You can focus on these 3 applications clearly. And in the next session, that is in tomorrow's session, I'm going to start with the MySQL project with CRUD operations. Don't miss it. We'll finish that project in tomorrow's session. 1.5 hours it will take, and immediately that project also I'll upload to your Google Drive. You can also practice same thing with bootstrap designing and with coding with all CRUD operations with MySQL database. I'm going to configure, not SQLite 3. Right now the database is configured in the settings.py. SQLite 3 is configured, sir. But tomorrow what I'll try to do, I'll try to communicate with MySQL database. I'm going to configure here MySQL completely, not SQLite 3. So this I'm going to remove this, and we are going to communicate with MySQL. Once we communicate with MySQL, how to design template page and how to insert, how to delete, how to update, how to create, everything we'll discuss with clear design format with bootstrap technique, so that don't miss tomorrow. So tomorrow is an important and valuable session, and from tomorrow onwards each every day I'm going to explain one simple project and write the code, and I'll send it to you in the Google Drive. You can do practice same projects only. Even once we complete the projects, there are two topics I miss wantedly, that is authentication views and Django signals. The two topics last I'll discuss Django, so that it will be finished. Immediately we'll start with the REST framework, Django REST framework I'll start, and after that Flask framework. Don't miss tomorrow. You can use same link at same time 6:30. I'll start with MySQL project, CRUD operation project. And tomorrow after completion of that project, same project along with the tomorrow recording video, I'll upload to your Google Drive RAR folder, so that you can practice. Dashboard in the sense simple, everything we can bring up into same location. Okay, in the dashboard you can able to manage the links. This is home page only, dashboard in the sense all options you can able to keep on the dashboard. User can click on that link, then it will get the display the data. No, we are not going to create, but you can able to create it by using our code.